दूर से देखना, ताड़ना, स्माइल करना बहुत मेन स्ट्रीम है. तो सीधा आके बोलो, इंस्टा हैंडल मांगो, आई वोंट माइंड.
How should a guy approach a girl for the first time?
Well, the guy should not be creepy and he should be very charming and he should be very confident. मतलब nervous नहीं होना चाहिए. First time पे number नहीं मांगना चाहिए because बहुत awkward हो जाएगा. So maybe he should if he wants to get my contact, he can maybe ask for my Insta or Facebook or something.
First of all, he shouldn't be pretentious because I think it's very natural to every girl that we hate pretentious guys.
How do you define that?
He should be someone that he really is. Like, for example, if you're coming over here and you're like, hi, I'm Risha.
Yeah.
That won't work. It's like, just the way you approach, like,
Right.
hi, that's what girls like. They admire about somebody that person is true to himself.
I think it should be very direct because being indirect seems like he's talking in hints and it seems a very, the guy is like, well, he's not matching up to my standards. I mean, yeah, so he should be very direct.
Maybe with a chola bhatura in his
I think he should be honest, like whatever intention he has in his mind, he should be clear about it. Because believe it or not, girls have a kind of sixth sense. They know what a guy really wants. So,
Really?
yeah. So if you're interested in the girl romantically, don't go for friendship thing.
Alright.
Like, be
So what
clear.
should he say instead?
He
I want to
can
get laid?
start- No, not at all. That's
Yeah.
a very bad idea. No. Maybe start by giving her a compliment. Maybe what do you like in
How?
her? What do you like in her? And then
Alright.
talk about the usual things, and then maybe you can go for.
Like if a guy wants to approach a girl, so he should be so frank and like literally she should tell ki you are so beautiful, like I want to talk to you and ask her name and like literally so frank with her, like literally express a feeling like on the first day only.
I guess the guy should be honest first of all, and he should be direct.
What do you think?
Same as she said. No, he should. Yeah, exactly. He should be direct.
Alright.
And he shouldn't cook up things and should be, he should directly approach us.
For the first time, maybe by sending a meme.
What?
And then the conversation can start.
How about you?
I think how I will get impressed by a guy is I think he should know me first and then if he'll ask me out in any sense, like he'll do whatever. Of course, if I'm impressed by him, if I'm friends with him, I will say yes. So,
I mean, if it's for the first time,
Yeah.
just be casual about it.
How
like
do you
just
find that?
casual as in just come around, talk normally, don't
friendly, like-
exactly.
like-
no compliments.
like how friends
Just be
talk.
nice about it.
And don't pretend.
How
Exactly.
can you be so nice about it without saying a word?
Hi, I'm this
Gesture?
person. I saw you with no gestures. Like,
And talk about yourself.
Try
your
to
own
make a
self.
normal
हाँ,
conversation.
He should be direct. बातें ऐसे घुमा के ये करके spontaneous हो जो भी हो. Yeah.
be upfront about it.
Alright. So a guy comes to you and he should be like, alright, you're looking beautiful and maybe you should go out sometime. So,
Obviously, I'll judge him by his looks or how he's speaking or how he's dressed. I notice the hair actually.
you like hairstyle is good.
Yeah, like long, thoda sa long hair
Thoda sa
रहता
long.
है. Yeah.
How about you?
Of course, good looks, sweet nature, and
बाकी तो कॉफी पे पता चलेगा ना कैसा है.
yeah, exactly. First date.
to be honest, looks does matter a bit. And for me, personality is the most, attractive thing. And I really like sporty guys.
Sporty guys,
Yeah,
alright.
a lot. Personality and speaking skills. Of course, personality and...
So if a guy comes to you and talks to you in Hindi, would that be cool?
No. It's not like I will judge him or something like that, but it's not. It's just that. But then he should know English. I mean, of course, वो personality का it's a part, right?
Should be tall. Yeah, tall. And a decent build-up.
No, not even a decent build-up. I'm okay with thin guys, but they should have good personalities. So.
As in like how he's dressed and he should be tall.
Okay, tall,
Yeah.
tall guy.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
Tall, of course.
Tall.
Good hygiene really impresses me.
Alright.
Like if he is well groomed
Alright.
and he smells nice,
Oh.
then it's really attractive.
वेल मैं फिजिकल ज़्यादा देखती नहीं हूँ बट पर्सनैलिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. शुड बी अ गुड गाय एंड फिजिकल बाद में आता है बट हाँ अगर गुड लुकिंग हो जाए सो दैट्स अ बोनस.
The guy should be smart enough, like an IQ level and like way of talking, behavior, and like looks matter always, but literally like nature matters a lot.
If a guy comes to you
Yeah.
with a snapback and loose clothes,
Yeah,
How do
and
you
a
think?
dancer or like yeah, I am in dancing, so I like those cool type of clothes and like freaking hot guys. I literally like that. Yeah.
that feels good.
See, first of all, let's not judge because it's like you know.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing, guys.
Yeah, I mean it's like otherwise you know guys rate women like 8 numbers, 7 numbers. So I personally won't do that. Otherwise, just to you know keep a consideration ki
Just be what you are.
and the physical attributes. I mean, you should have good features and body ho nahi ho, it's fine.
What about you? What do you think?
How should you approach me? Maybe with a chola bhatura in his hand. Yeah, I mean, I need food. बाकी सब कुछ बाहर में जाए खाना. या
बंदा आना चाहिए छोले भटूरे लेके.
छोले भटूरे नहीं कराई. बस थोड़ा गुड लुकिंग भी होना चाहिए.
जैसे हमारे कैंटीन वाले भैया.
Good looking कैसे?
Like not कुछ गोरा वोरा नहीं. He should have a personality. That's it. Personality
Like it
of
should be very well spoken.
Yeah.
I mean, if you don't know English or Hindi or any language, just don't try to.
Don't try to.
That you know, you just don't pretend to know.
Don't try to impress
तुम
me.
हिंदी में भी-
Just
yeah.
be what you
Just
are.
be what you are and
Yeah.
be
Even if you talk in Spanish,
that's it.
in Latin, in any language,
Yeah.
it's fine. You don't have to fit into anything.
Yes.
You have to be yourself. That's it.
ठीक है अगर मैं आता हूँ संस्कृत बोलता हूँ तो समझ आ जाएगा.
For sure, भाई 10th तक पढ़ी है.